My God, I'm so bored. Man, I'm not hungry, I'm not doing anything, I'm just bored. Sure, a dog barking, but I'm too busy hitting dogs, neighbor dogs. Nothing interesting here. No. Oh, a mop. I wanna. Damn it, it's stuck. I'm too lazy to get there. Oh, look at the grapes. Is that grapes over there? Oh, damn it, they're plastic. Anything in. Ooh, what is this? Holy, is this what I'm seeing right now? A gun? Does it have bullets in there? I'm gonna show it to the guys. Oh man, Helmet Pig, this is the best Miss Stuff and Toys I know. But Mrs. Pig? Nah, I think my car wheel's better. Hey guys, guess what? Guess what I just found in the garden. I think it's important for you guys to know that it's important. I think you guys wanna know. King Pig, you just leave us alone. Yeah, King Pig. I don't have your shenanigans. Is that a gun? Yeah, I dropped it in the floor right there. Wait, what did he say? Wait. Holy crap, I know. It would be like, damn, King Pig, what a nice hat I have. Yeah, I got it from Party City. It's a good price. It costs like, I don't know, $19.99, $20 plus tax, 10 cents. No, we're talking about the fucking gun, King Pig. Oh, they were talking about my hat, but I found this gun in the garden. How the fuck would it be in the garden? It was just there. I was bored. I wasn't too busy to eat. I was not too busy to hit dogs. I was just bored. King Pig, you know what this means, right? It's time to go to the dinner table. Yeah, King Pig. I say so my too, King Pig, so come on. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Alright. Okay. No, wait to be the first one. I'm gonna be. Hey, no. I'm in the king table. You're going to be in the 30 table. Aww. Actually, we can't go that far, so go up. I'll be in the big table because I need to see right. You know what? You do this. We're just going to the fucking table. You're right. Okay, come on, Helmet Pig. Yeah, let's go. Alright, you be right here, and I'll be right here. Okay, now we need to talk about what are we going to do about the gun. Well, you see, I want to play with it. So, what the fucking... No, this is bull. You might kill someone, and you might kill anyone, so don't even think about shooting that gun. Huh? It has a trigger. What is this does? Don't you dare pull that trigger. Wait, let me pull that thing. Ugh. That thing, it has a stretchy. Oh, you want me to help you? Yeah, help me, my Helmet Pig. Let me see. Let me help you there. Oh, let me see. Okay, here you go. Oh, thank you so much. I didn't know how to reload. Pop! Holy! No, we gotta go. Oh my God, we gotta help. Oh God. Helmet Pig, are you okay? You know, I don't know why we're doing this. He's already dead. I would tell because he's dead already. So let's go back up. Oh my God. King Pig, what the hell did you fucking do? Yeah. I didn't know. That was just a gun that didn't need to, doesn't have bullets, just like a Nerf gun. How the hell is that a Nerf gun? I mean, it does have colors and it looks plastic. You're kind of right there, but that was not included. You killed Helmet Pig. So, I'm gonna take this gun. Hey, no, don't. Oh my! You jazz motherfucker! You killed Mustache. He was old. What the fuck? Well, you killed an old fucking person, you little bitch. You just talk back to me, huh? You little fuck. I give you 2 days off. This is the first day off. Please don't end my life. Any last words? I hate you because you're an old piece of crap. I see, eh? Well, he's dead. Well, I don't know what else to do. I can't shoot any more pigs. My 3 pigs are already dead. I should order more pigs later. What should I do this one? Can I kill myself? Or maybe should I do some crimes with it? Ooh, Doc Miss Stuffins. Okay. Ooh, let me first roll over. Oh, damn it. I can only work in action fingers, but ooh, mixed stuffins. Well, I could fit on the circle. Ooh. Oh, let me see this thing. Oh, my heart is beating. Let me go travel. Oh, I want to go down the slide. It's too bad that are pigs. Huh, what is this thing? Could I do it? Rip King Pig.